Hi everyone, today we're gonna unbox this thing. This is the Seree HD 520 camcorder camera, and here are some basic specs here. So before we unbox it, let's look at the box, around the box. So that's pretty much what it has: Wi-Fi, HDMI out, the 1080p video, 24 megapixels, 16 time zoom, blah blah blah. You can see all these. That's the top of the box here. Side, and bottom. Up and bottom. That's bottom. Alright. So these are more of the specs. So as you can see, this is a camera from China. So I don't know, but let's unbox it. It had pretty good reviews on Amazon, so okay, let's take this out, and there we go. Alright, so inside we have a pouch that has now this was a used camera, so I don't know, some of the things might be included and some might not, like some things might not, but that's a microphone, I can tell. Came in this pouch. Let's put it back. We have the charger for the battery, which here's the battery. So there you go, that's how you charge the battery. Whoops. Alright, here's the lens cap for the camera. I keep hitting this. Here's the remote for it with the plastic thing so it doesn't use up the battery and stuff. Let's put this to the side and have these in view. Here we have the USB cable. It's a mini USB to USB cable. That's mini, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's mini. Here's the HDMI cable with the bag or something. Alright, so yeah, that's the HDMI. Oh, that's a small one. Alright. And we have a strap. And we have the camera here. So it comes in this case. That's in the box here we have a user's manual too, and a Seree service card. Not sure I'm gonna use that because it's from China and I don't live in China. So alright, and so here's the pouch. Pretty nice looking pouch. And this is the camera itself. There it is. Alright, it looks pretty nice so far. So here it is. 1080p high definition touch panel. So it has a touch panel inside, Wi-Fi, so you can transmit it to your phone, or I believe you can do it to your computer too. Maybe, don't quote me on that. 24 megapixels. And here's how it looks. Actually, it looks pretty new, so I don't think this was used. Maybe it was just opened and they marked it as used, but it's looking pretty nice. So you have your buttons here: power, light, menu, mode, and display. I think that might be the microphone here. And this screen you can swivel it around too, all the way around for those selfie shots. I guess. Alright, let's close it, and on top here we have your zoom photo here. Here's your thing, so you can put like a light or another microphone on here. Here's the lens. At the bottom you have your stuff, so you can mount it on a on a tripod. And this is where you put the battery in, yeah, and your SD card. I don't know how much it can support, but I'm pretty sure, I think it can support like a lot, like a huge amount. I have a 64 gig thing for it, so it should be fine. Right, oh, and it has the, let's zoom in, let's focus, okay? Here it has the lights, so the flash for it, so the flash right on the lens, huh? I've never seen that. Alright, so let's pop in the battery. Okay, so you push. Alright. And SD card for that. So actually let's power it on and see if it'll okay, you just press it, you don't have to hold it. Alright, it said something about memory here, so I don't know. But I mean, I'm sure it doesn't have any memory in it, so I can't record or anything, but it's looking pretty nice so far. And this is touchscreen. Alright. Oh, okay, it's, you don't have to press that hard to get to it. Okay, insert an SD card to transfer and do something. Let's go back. Shoot more video. But can you already record in it? No. Alright. Oh, here's in the back here. That's where you press, that's the record button. And you have your mic, HD something. Maybe that's the HDMI port and USB inside. So let's open this. Yeah, so that's your HDMI port here, your mic port, and your USB port. Alright, and on top here, as you can see, let's focus, it says, I think that's for charging on top, so I think you can plug it in while it's, and use it while it's charging. And it says busy here, so for something else. But when we press record here, does it? No call inserted. Alright, so I'm gonna have like a video like testing the photos and stuff, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I will have a review up for the camera pretty soon, so be sure to subscribe so you can see when that video comes out. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.